Hi students, it's me, Teacher Shari. Today we will learn about factors. But before that, let us read and spell our words to learn. Number 1, common. Number 1, common. Number 2, even numbers. Number 2, even numbers. Number 3, remainder. Number 3, remainder. Number 4, odd numbers. Number 4, odd numbers. Number 5, prime numbers. Number 5, prime numbers. Very good, students. Now, please watch and listen to our discussion.
Factors for the first time. In this short tutorial, you will find out what factors are and how to find factors using multiplication. Factors are whole numbers that you multiply together to get another number. So in this example, 2 times 5 is 10. The factors are 2 and 5. You will often be given a number and told to list all its factors. Well, you could just think of any numbers that multiply together to give 12 in this example, but a better plan is to use the same simple way every time. Take a look. The first thing you do is find the simplest way of multiplying to 12, and you start with 1. So 1 and the number itself are always the first factors you list. Write the factors down in pairs, 1 here and 12 over here. We will fill in the space between with other factors as we go along. For each factor pair, use an arc to show which factors multiply together. It helps keep your thinking clear and stops you from accidentally forgetting to write a factor down. Okay, now you try 2 times a number to make 12. Well, 2 times 6 is 12. List the 2 and the 6 and put the arc in. Then 3 times a number. 3 times 4 is 12. List the 3 and the 4, put the arc in. 3 and 4 are consecutive numbers, so we know we finished because there's no whole number between those two. We've just found all the factors of 12. Notice that because we worked from the outside in, the factors are in order. This is the clearest way of showing all the factors of a number, and using the arc for each factor pair shows your thinking. We'll do one more example. We'll find the factors of 16. Start with 1 and the number itself. 1 and 16, use the arc. Now go to 2. 2 times the number. Well, 2 times 8 is 16. What about 3 times the number? Is 3 a factor? Well, 3 times 5 is 15. We can't get to 16. 3 is not a factor of 16. Now 4 times the number. 4 times 4 is 16. When a number is multiplied by itself, like the 4 times 4, we just put it in the factor listing once, without any arc. And there are no more factors. We found them all. When you're listing all the factors of a number, remember, always start with 1 and the number itself, with a good space between. Then using multiplication, try 2 times, 3 times, 4 times, 5 times the number and up. And when your numbers meet in the middle, you have finished. Always use the arc to show your thinking. And now it's your turn to practice. Have fun with this and become fantastic at factors.